Hello guys, I am here with new video. In this video I am going to draw with leaves. Yes, right, I am drawing with leaves. To make this I have collected some leaves and grinded it in grinder and it will become like this. At first I am painting light tone of Ant-Man. I am going to paint Ant-Man from this natural color. In previous painting I was applying water. In this painting we doesn't need to apply water first, so it is easy to paint in natural color. It has started creating bubbles, so after finishing it will look better, as you saw in the preview. After finishing a light tone, I am giving dark tone. We need to wait few seconds after finishing steps. Apply the same color on the light shade wherever shown in the photo, that will become darker. I am applying same trick for more darker. Guys, enjoy the video. Not all the leaves will be same. You need to collect darker ones. If the video is nice, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends. Even you can paint by following the tricks and steps. You can see that applying more on that, it will become darker. I am using same steps for all sides. Drop a comment so that I can know your reaction. Don't forget to comment what next challenge would be. After finishing it will look like this. You need to wait few seconds for drying. When it dry, it will look like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will get notification from myself.